What's up, YouTube family? It's your boy T-Mitch. Welcome to another episode of T-Mitch TV. And this is my empty house tour. That's right, your boy brought a house. So come on, welcome to mi casa. All right, so this is the entryway. You just walked into the front door. So when you come right over here to the side, there's a little coat closet, a little bit of storage. So I never really thought that I would be the type of person to have a no-shoe household, but I think I'm gonna be a no-shoe household. So I plan to have coats in there when folks come over, but also a little shoe rack for people to put their shoes while they're visiting. Come on over this way. Here's the garage.
Garage door.
Indeed. So it's a two-door garage, enough space for me and more of me. So I guess I need to get a second vehicle to fill it up. But then on the other side of the garage right here is another storage closet. So a little bit of pantry space, linens, things put on the shelves, and yeah. And then other than that, you can walk into the primary guest bedroom. So this is gonna be decked out, ready for whoever claims that they wanna come visit me. So this is the guest bedroom. It's a really nice size, large enough for a whole queen bed or so. This back door leads out to the patio. We don't have to go out there right now, but as you can see, it's a little patio back here, brick over, with some space to do some stuff outside, if we so choose. But one of the things that I love about this house, which really was a selling point for me, is it's a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath. It's the square footage for me. And then also, it's the fact that each bedroom has its own bathroom and its own walk-in closet. So, come this way, and you'll see it has a nice, spacious bathroom right here. Lots of space to, handle your business in the comfort of all this space. And then, of course, a good, nice little shower. I like the fact that it's a tub and a shower, not just a shower, because, sometimes people need to bathe. And I think that's what's wrong with America, is too many people try to shower instead of bathing. Dip down in that water and clean yourself. And then the last piece is, of course, this big, spacious walk-in closet. So yeah, we weren't rich growing up, but growing up, we were in a 3-bedroom house, and all 3 bedrooms had walk-in closets. So I wanted a house, my first house, to kind of have that same type of vibe. Go, cut it.
Okay, go.
So the only downside to this house is it's a townhouse, so there's lots of stairs. 3 stories, lots of stairs. So if you have bad knees, you may not want to come over and visit. But let's go upstairs to the 2nd story. All right, so here's the 2nd level of the house. This is the living space. This is where I'll be doing all the entertaining for my guests. So as you can see, this is where the couch and everything will be set up. We have a nice little window action going on here for all the natural light. So I think it's a nice little view that we have going on. And then over here is a fireplace. It's a gas fireplace, so a nice little feature to have in the winter months. And I think I'm gonna put a big TV right up here. above the fireplace. So I'm not one for mounted TVs, but in this space, I think that's probably my best option. And then over here, we have this built-in little cabinet feature. So I think I'm gonna have it half a bookshelf, half a wine space. So just wait on it, it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be a mix, right? A little bit of action, learning, and sipping. And then over here, this is the formal dining space. So when we have game nights and stuff, because as y'all know, I'm probably gonna have the game nights, I'll have a nice little table in here to have everything set up. Okay, and then when you walk around this way, you get into the kitchen. And as y'all know, I like to burn in the kitchen. So this space was, this space was really important to me to make sure it was spacious, feel good, and was warm and welcoming. So I like the fact that there's technically a bar ledge on each side of the kitchen. So if I wanted to have bar stools, I could. And then once you come in, and just so y'all know, I haven't moved my stuff in yet, which is why you see random things around, is because we're still getting all the stuff settled, but I think there's plenty of space for storage, which is really important. Plenty of space to actually cook and have the counter space, as well as plenty of space to serve. So this is the kitchen. And then over here is the breakfast nook. So I'll have a small breakfast table here to make sure that I have a separate eating space for the days where I just want to ease into the morning. Okay, the next thing is we have a nice sized pantry over here to store all, according to William, to store all the snacks that I'm gonna have for when he comes over. So this is a good pantry space that I think will be a challenge to fill out. Bro. Okay, and then right here is, let me flip on the light for you. It's the little half bath for when guests come over and we're having fun. Yeah, I ain't gotta go into any of the bedrooms to use the bathroom. Okay, now let's go up to the last story, which is where all the magic will happen. So right here, I plan to have some kind of fun decoration. I don't really know what I'm gonna do quite yet. It might be some plants, it might be like Mitchell word block, it might be some candles. If you have any ideas, let me know. But I'm gonna do something up here, something cool.
Not gonna lie, that would be hard. Do it.
Okay, now we come into the master bedroom. Follow me, camera. Okay. So this is my space. Big, spacious. You can do a flip in this joint.
Do a flip. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh Jesus.
I can do a flip better than that, y'all. But anyways, so I'm thinking about getting a big king bed. I'll probably be facing this way. Having an entertainment stand down that end with the TV. And then if I need to, have a little bit of space over here for a chair, whatever to read and stuff. We'll see. Then this bedroom has two closets. So the first closet is here. And since it's just me right now, I don't know what I'm gonna use it for. But it's plenty of storage space if I need it. And then you come back here, and this is the master bathroom. So we have our jacuzzi tub. I had to teach William how the jets work. I have the tub here. I have the two sinks and cabinets. Back here is the toilet where you handle your business, drop off all your packages. And then in here is the shower with its own little sitting stool, which I really like. Because y'all know sometimes you be tired and you just need to take a sit in the middle of the shower. So now that's my prerogative. If I want to do that, I can. And then last but not least is the big closet.
Jeez. Like, this really is two of your closets combined, honestly.
To my closet's where? My current closet is a walk-in closet.
I'm talking about heat.
Anyways, count. All right, so up here, right outside of the bedroom, which we don't say master bedroom anymore, we say primary bedroom, period, Black power. So right outside the primary bedroom is the laundry space, so where I have my washer and dryer, nothing special there. And then this is the last bedroom, which for now is gonna be an office space. I want to keep this space a little bit versatile until my life unfolds. If I have a family or something, we'll see what the space becomes, but right now it's gonna be an office. So it's a little bit smaller bedroom. And once you come in, there's a closet right here. It's the only closet in the house that isn't walk-in. But even though it's not a walk-in closet, I still felt like it would get the job done. It's still a nice sized closet. And then last but not least, we have the bathroom over here. You can go in and take a look.
Not gonna lie, y'all got huge mirrors. You see how tall your mirror is?
So, again, thanks everyone for taking this journey with me of viewing my casa. One of the reasons why I wanted to do this empty house tour is because all my family, friends, and loved ones are spread out across the country. So I'm probably not gonna have a big housewarming because I don't want y'all traveling in just for this. If you happen to come to H-Town, then come see me and you have somewhere to stay for the time being. So that's why I wanted to do this video, so that you may not be able to see it in person for a while, but at least you can know what I'm living like. And if you wanna help me fill this sucker up with stuff, as you know, I'm going from a 1-bedroom to a 3-bedroom house. I'm gonna add the registry link for you all to drop something from the registry. So thanks again for tuning in to this episode of T-Mitch TV, Growing Up Edition. And look out for more from your boy.